This camping trip, we are staying at Topsail State Park in Florida. It's in the panhandle. The site is probably about 70 feet long, not super wide, but luscious trees, mostly shade. The sun does peek through, but it is a really hot weekend. We are packing up for the beach. As you can see back here towards the rear of the site, there's lots of shade. The girls are enjoying some shade right now. The nice thing is it has a paved parking pad throughout the entire campsite.
You about ready?
Yep. So we're getting ready to take the tram down to the beach, and we will maybe do some more recording once we get down there. The only way to get to the beach is you have to either walk, ride your bike, or take the tram system there that is about 0.6 miles to get down to the beach. While we were there, the jellyfish were stinging us quite a bit. I think the one that got us was the Atlantic sea nettle, which I captured some footage of. When my wife got stung, she just went to the bathroom to rinse it off with some warm water. Some have said if you use vinegar, that will help take out the sting. My daughters and I just kind of shook it off and waited it out for about an hour. After about an hour, hour and a half, the sting really just kind of went away. Head over to get some coffee at the local coffee shop. So it's pretty nice when you've got a campground that has a nice coffee shop. So here we go. Topsail is a pretty big campground actually. They have 156 RV sites with 30 and 50 amp as well as water and sewer hookups. Just about as soon as we made it to the front office, it started to sprinkle. But it is a 93-degree day, super hot and humid, so I think the sprinkle is going to feel pretty good. It might affect the video a little bit, but let's go for a ride. What do you say, girls? Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
She don't look too excited about it.
It's sprinkling.
Any gators in here? We'll go swimming? It does look disgusting. So we've made it to the back of the park over here to Campbell Lake. And it's a natural lake that is surrounded by dunes. Apparently there's only 5 locations in the entire world that are similar to this. We've been back here before, and it says there's gators around, but we've never actually seen any gators out here. But I do know the gators don't mind hanging out in salt mixed water. Anyways, it's pretty back here. They have a handful of trails where you can walk all on foot. You can take your bikes down them as well. The first time we were here, I think I took my mountain bike back there quite a ways. Some of the trails gets closed off just due to natural vegetation and whatnot. The park does keep some of the trails maintained, but I think they like to keep it pretty natural as well. Anyways, this is kind of what it looks like. We're not going to go back there too far today, just because I have my daughters with me and it's a hot one. I think it was 93 when we left. So, all right, let's head over to this pavilion and see what they got over there. Shade, restrooms. I guess you could have a picnic or something. Some restrooms. There's not much else. Thanks for stopping by. We really appreciate you watching these videos. We'll see you next time. Bye.